Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about the 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube. In my previous videos I've done steps 1, 2, and 3, which were to create the white, yellow, and blue centers. So in this video I'm going to create the rest of the centers: orange, green, and red. So how do we do this? First, well, we got to pick which centers we're going to do next. So always, typically we do it in order of blue, orange, green, and R. And you can remember the Bogger algorithm, B-O-G-R, in terms of order. And now we have to pick a side as to which side do we pick for orange, because we have white, blue, and yellow, but one of these two sides has to be orange. Well, whenever you look at a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, you notice that on the right side you have, when you have the white on top and yellow on the bottom and blue in the front, to the right side you have your orange. So we pick the right side to do our orange. So now this is our orange. Well, remember, we can only move vertically, we can't move laterally. So what we want to do is we want to create bars, and we don't want to destroy this one at the same time. So right here we slide this one down, we create a bar, twist it, and then we bring the blue back up. So now we need to create a bar and put it here. So what do? Just this technique works. Pull down, twist, and then pull back up, or pull back down, sorry. So now we have a bar, but we need it over here. So what do? We line it up. So we pull it towards the orange center, twist it 180 degrees, and align the blue again. And then we do the same thing, except we can't pull it straight down, because when we do that, we're going to destroy the blue center. So we line them up. So again, we pull towards the orange center, 180 degree twist, and then pull right back up. And now we have the blue and the orange center. So now we need the green and the red center. So what do we do typically? What we do is, whenever we have this little L shape, we want this one piece to be lined up with a bar. So either this one works or this way works too, but this does not work because that's not a bar. This is just one. And then same thing here, because this is not a bar, this is just one. So we line it up with the bar, and it's real simple. We pull it down, twist it, and then pull it back up. And that's how we make the centers: orange, green, and red. And it's in the order that we want. So now that we have all our centers, we can start going to the edge pairing process. All right, thank you. Please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on how to solve this cube and other cubes. All right, thank you guys, appreciate it.